everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Now it's like 2019 and first things first, let's talk about my hair. We all thought that rebonding your hair straight is actually much easier to handle. It's so annoying when you just gotta keep adjusting your hair because your hair is thick. Moving on from that very short rant, today's video is something very different. I have not done this type of videos on my channel before. It's gonna be a versus glitter pop peel off eyeliner from TooFaced versus loose glitter, and these are the glitters that I actually got from bulkglitters.com. If you guys are wondering on the glitter glue that I'm using the one from TooFaced. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video and see which is better, liquid glitter or loose glitters. So let's go. Alright, so just putting my hair behind my ears just a little bit so the hair doesn't come in the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to compare the process of a liquid one, duration, time, how easy is it to use. We're also going to do removal process. I'm actually going to come and do the removal process of the glitter on the eyes to see which is better, which is less messier, and my overall thoughts on this entire product. Okay, so my left side of my eye, I'm going to go ahead and put the glitter pop peel off eyeliner, and this is how the packaging actually looks like. It's really cute. It has a very pink iridescent packaging, and when you open it up, this is the shade right here. I got a very basic shade, so this shade actually works with all types of eyeshadow colors. You can go ahead and pick like different colors like blue, pink or red. I prefer this is because it just goes well with all eyeshadows, guys. So this shade is called Glitter Ghost. So another one that I just want to briefly mention in this video is, which is the BH Cosmetics glitter eyeliner in the shade Sydney. I do want to incorporate this glitter eyeliner in this look over here. It's because this is not a peel off. This is just basically a ready mixed glitter liner. So I just want to incorporate it in. So on my right side of my eyes, I'll be going in with the TooFaced glitter glue, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the bulk glitter loose glitter in the shade Dragon Scale Jade. I have never used this loose glitter, this particular shade, because it's green. So let's go ahead and just throw that in. So I quickly just went off camera and did this. I will explain to you guys in a while why I did this. So overall, how I feel about these two sides. So this side of the loose glitter, this side over here, I do have to say I really love the way how it paid out. But one thing about loose glitter, you gotta be really careful, or else you will have like fallouts on your face. But you literally can see it sparkle on my face. I'm not sure whether it's picking up camera, but I do hope that it is. So you do have a little bit fallout here and there. Besides, the glitter liner is very comfortable on the eyes. Let's go ahead and talk about this side. So this side I actually used TooFaced glitter eyeliner. No fallout, not messy at all, went out really beautifully. The wand is really small. But I get it why it is small, so you can actually do like define lines with the glitter on your face. So it's easy to apply, but I prefer it like somewhat slightly thicker to pick up more glitter at a time. Besides that, I do feel a little weight when I'm blinking my eyes. This side feels more comfortable. This side feels like I have something on there. That kind of feeling, like I feel like I have something on there. I do have to talk to you guys about why I did this portion over here off camera. You guys are actually like in my head. Y'all are like screaming to me and telling me like, so how does it feel on the crease? Is it like coarse? Will it hurt your eyelids, especially at the crease area? Some glitters can be very scratchy, so that's the reason why I did that. And some glitters as well can be a little bit sticky, like this one over here, the BH Cos. I feel like, yeah, it's a little bit tacky. So I applied the TooFaced one at the corner over here and the loose glitter inside over here. I can say it's really comfortable on the lids. Loose glitter or the TooFaced glitter pop is really comfortable in the eyelids. I'm like rubbing and there's nothing at all. But as for the glitter side, the loose glitter, when you touch it, there is a glitter fallout on your hand. You guys ask me, I prefer this side. Intensity of the eyeliners right now I'm looking at, I prefer this side. But if you're looking about like easier wise to wash out, I'll definitely choose TooFaced glitter glue. It's depending on your preference. Okay, so right now let's go ahead and move into the removal process of the eyeliner part. I'm going to like peel off the TooFaced glitter glue first. See how easily that came off. Just right there. So you can see there isn't like any residue left on your eye. It's a very clean process, you can say. What I'm going to do to remove this part over here, I'm just going to use my Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water on a cotton pad. Put it there. Hold it for a couple of seconds until it melts away. And then you just one wipe, guys. I think it should do the trick. Oh yeah, it did that trick. So the whole glitter is right there. See the little residues right there, but you can clear it up. So if you guys are like beginners and not very familiar with glitter glue and loose glitters, go ahead and try this out first. It's still a very good product. I really love it. I've used it twice now before I did this review to actually give you guys a proper review. If you guys have actually tried other liquid glitters, please mention it down below because I'm really wanting to try new products. There's no love, there's no hate. It has its ups, it has its downs. Every makeup product has it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Click the subscription button and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to follow me on my social media accounts, you guys can go ahead and follow me in Twitter or in Instagram. Prefer you guys to follow me in Instagram is because I do more story updates, skincare, makeup, live update is everything in Instagram if you guys want to know. Go ahead and follow me there in Instagram. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.